Benefits of Koflet with source. Benefits: dry cough, productive cough, smoker's cough, respiratory infection. It helps in normalizing the mucus production. You can use it to relieve the chest tightness or discomfort due to the congestion. Holy basil helps in reducing the pollen-induced bronchospasm naturally. Honey soothes the respiratory tract due to the antioxidant properties. Himalaya, Koflet Review. Description: since 1930. Happiness through wellness. Warms, soothes and comforts. Includes ginger, long pepper and cardamom. Herbal Supplement. Family owned for more than 85 years. Koflet is an herbal formula that reflects the wisdom of Ayurveda, which states that balance is achieved through counterbalance. Our Koflet balances the intense coldness of long winter months with a master blend of cloves, cinnamon and cardamom, which warms and wakes your senses. Suggested use: 1 lozenge dissolved slowly in the mouth, 3 to 4 times per day. Warnings. Caution: as with any supplement, consult a healthcare practitioner before use if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, have a medical condition or are planning any medical procedure. Discontinue use and consult a healthcare practitioner if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Do not refrigerate. Custom reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.